What's up YouTube? Josh here with JCS Customs, and today I'm going to show you how to replace the cabin air filter in your 6th Gen Camaro. I want to thank y'all for tuning in. If you haven't already, please smash the like and subscribe button below. As you can see, the reminder scrolling across the screen there telling you to do so. It is greatly appreciated. Today we're going to show you how to change the cabin air filter in your 6th Gen Camaro. So there are many reasons on why you would want to take out and replace your cabin air filter. Mainly health reasons. Your air that you're breathing in is passing through this filter. If it's clogged up with mold, debris, dust, it's not too good. So let me show you how to take this thing off or pull it down so we can get that cabin air filter. So you're going to open your glove box here, take everything out, as you can see I already have. And over here, you got a plastic clip. Let me zoom in here. You got a plastic clip here. So that plastic clip is attached to a retractable cord on this side here. Now that cord can be kind of hard to access once you take that clip off. So we have a 10-inch bungee strap that I have a ton of these just laying around for some odd reason. And we're going to attach it to this cord here so that I know when that cord goes up in there, I can pull it back down. My strap's getting in the way here. Now that our strap is on there, we can pull this little clip down. See? And it comes out just like that. You see our cord here is going to shoot up into there. Now, you have clips on both sides. Not really clips, more like little stanchions that stick off holding this in. Now this plastic's pretty hard, so some people, if you got enough strength, you can push it in, but it's very hard. Or you can use a crowbar. Keep the tip on to keep it from, damaging your car. So let's try to push this out here. As you can see, we got it. I'm gonna do the same on this side. I think I popped them back in. The box is down, both clips are pushed in and pulled down. It is a little tough, so keep at this. You'll notice up in here, you got this black tray here. So what you're gonna do, you got clips, pull them both sides, and there's your filter. Now this filter's been in here the whole time. This car has 38,000 miles, so let's see. It's actually not near as bad as I thought it would be. Still, it's all dusted up pretty bad, but I've seen worse. As you can see here, we have plenty of options for filter replacements. We got a K&N performance filter that you can actually wash by hand and buy their recharging kit, a Bosch filter, and an STP filter, as well as many other filters that's not listed here. So after you change your filter, you pull your, well, in my case, my bungee strap, pull it down, put this little clip back in there, and then just pushed up, and you got those stanchions back into place, and you're good to go. All right, YouTube, I appreciate y'all watching. Also, a little tip, if you want your car to smell good for a long time, every time your AC is on, you can spray a little something up in that air filter. And don't spray a lot, though, because it'll make it too strong. Just a little tip. Also, if y'all know of anything else or think of anything else that y'all would like me to do a how-to video on, as far as, say, example, how to take apart the dash or how to take apart the doors, something like that, feel free to comment below, message me, whatever. I'm always on my car page on Instagram, so you can reach me there. Facebook, whatever. So I'm up for anything. Until next time, YouTube, peace out.